I am going to go ahead and add our colorants to this and get rolling before it gets too much cooler. It's about 120 degrees right now. We're going to pour this in, get as much of that out of there as we can. It's going to be really, really light, it looks like, which is fine. Oh, that smells so good. Let's see if we can get some more of this out of here. And now it's working time is, we've got to go because it's starting to get a little bit cooler. And we don't want this stuff to, we don't want it to start chunking up. Here's our black that goes in the clear. Make sure we get all that goodness out of there. Okay. Oh yeah, this is going to be awesome.